Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to see the campaigns and join the campaigns on the EAFC mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your EAFC mobile, and if you already log in the main menu like this, you can click the menu events, the menu campaign on the left like this. Okay, you can click, and then if you want to join the events, you can click the campaigns button. Okay, and for this video I want to join the UCL group stage campaigns. Okay, so I choose the UCL, or the UEFA Champions League group stage. So I click campaigns. Okay, so after you click the campaigns, you need to wait for loading just for a second. So if you have a good network, the loading will not any longer, very longer, like this. Okay, and now you are already on the UCL campaigns, and if you already on the UCL campaigns, you can click the button like this and then click play. Okay, so if you win this match, you will get UCL Point X4. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.